Who would have known that day on Monarch would have been the best thing to happen to me? We began as fast friends, and I cherish that we've been able to grow that love throughout our relationship. I love the happiness and memories that you share with me, how your smile brings such light and love into my life, how your enthusiasm for an adventure and experience gives me such excitement to share every single moment with you. You've enriched my life with such laughter and joy. I can only try and express how thankful I am for you each and every day. You pick me up when I am down and make me a better person when you're around. You will always be the beauty in my life, and there is no one in the world I would rather call my wife. I vow from this day forward to be grateful for our love and our life, to enjoy each and every moment I'm gifted with you, to listen to you, to always support you, to love you completely. This promise is made with all the love in my heart and lasts every day of our lives. I love you forever.
Love is a verb, and throughout our relationship, you have shown me just that. You have consistently held my hand and let me cry on your shoulder. You've picked me up when I am vulnerable and shared a laugh when I needed it most. We have learned to grow together as we face life's challenges, with time proving we evolve as individuals. However, one thing remains the same, is the love we share and our commitment towards happiness and each other. From the moment we met, I felt safe sharing my deepest thoughts with you. You've accepted me as I am without hesitation. You've respected my emotions and have always been willing to communicate. You have left me with no wall standing but the truest form of myself. Ryan, you are my most favorite human. Your endless love has made you my best friend and my missing link. You are my logical side and my home to store all my wildest dreams. You are strong but kind, compassionate, and annoyingly good at most things. You repeatedly go out of your way for me. They say love is hard, but I can't relate because loving you has been easy. I'm so proud to be standing in front of you, vowing to be your wife today. I vow to support your dreams as my own. I vow to stand by you through all of life's challenges. I vow to be open and honest through thick and thin. I vow to love you forever without conditions and reservations. I vow to give you my whole heart every day for the rest of our lives. The future may be unknown, but I know I wouldn't want to venture it in any other way than by your side. I'm forever yours. I love you, Ryan.
Well, I guess I'm just scared of opening up the yours again.
I wanted to start by welcoming everyone, giving you all a big thank you, and also giving my dad a big thank you for officiating. Yeah. And of course, I want to thank the entirety of Holly's family. You guys have been so warm and kind, welcoming me into the family. You know, it's obvious that how much Holly means to you guys, and I promise to be the best version of myself for her. And I also want to give a big thanks to my family, Mom and Dad. It's been a long road, but I wouldn't be the man I am without the two of you. Your example showed me what true love is, that you must be patient, compassionate, and understanding, that a longing relationship centers around being friends with your partner, that being able to laugh together and get lost in the joy you bring one another is the true meaning of love. So thank you to the both of you. I'll forever be grateful for what you've done for Holly and I.